Right, so Pictory AI has a lot of different plans. Now, I found a coupon code that you can apply at any plan to save yourself 20% for the lifetime of you using it. So, for example, if I were to upgrade to this plan right here, and I click apply coupon, which shows up right here, and then I type in creator 20, just like this, not creator 10. We want 20% discount, and then click apply. You can see the price change from 462 to 368, applying a $93 discount, which is absolutely amazing. Now, just to show you that this works on any plan, I will go back and then I'll put the number higher, and then you can see that that also works. So if I were to make like 3,000 videos, which is a lot, even 3,600, click on upgrade, we can see that the price would be over $2,000. Now, if I go over here and I type in creator 20, click apply, it will still work, saving us over $450, which is insane. So this works on anything. And as you can see, it's a forever discount, meaning that when my plan renews, it will also be applied. So I'll just pay whatever the price is now with the discount forever, which is fantastic. So I'll leave that code in the description down below in case you want to try out Pictory AI and you're buying a plan that can get you a nice discount. So let me know if that still works at the time you're watching this. And then I'll see you in, well, probably never, but enjoy your discount.